Shopping in the European Union just got even better. Did you know that as a visitor from outside the EU, you can claim a VAT refund on your purchases? Here's how to do it step by step. First, when you shop, ask the store for a tax-free invoice or a DIVA form, depending on the country you're in. This document is essential for your refund process. Before leaving the European Union, head to the validation point for your form. Many airports and borders have DIVA machines. Simply scan the code on your form, and you're good to go. Your form is validated. If machines aren't available or your form isn't compatible, no problem. Visit the local customs office or the Guardia Civil. They'll check your documents and purchases to stamp your form. Once validated, go to the refund counter or use an online service to get your money back. And just like that, your shopping becomes even more rewarding. Remember, have your items, invoices, and passport ready to make the process smooth. Enjoy your shopping and savings in the European Union.